Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making apple croissant bites. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 tube of crescent rolls, a can of apple pie filling, 1 stick of butter at room temperature, 4 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, and also 1/4 cup of confectioners sugar and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do is open our croissants and we're going to separate them. Okay guys, once you have it separated, we're going to go ahead and grab a muffin tin and we're just going to spray the insides of them. So I have an 8 count, so I'm just spraying 8 of them. Next, you just want to place your croissant inside the muffin tins like that. Okay guys, so next what I'm doing is putting my apple pie filling in. Say about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons in each of them. Okay guys, now once you're done, I'm going to grab it by each point and just wrap it around. Okay guys, now you're going to place them in a heated oven at 375 degrees for 13 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, next for the icing, I'm going to go ahead and get a bowl, put my cream cheese in, and I'm also going to go ahead and put my softened butter in. Next we're going to get a hand mixer. Okay guys, next I'm going to go ahead and blend with the hand mixer the butter and cream cheese. Okay guys, you can add your vanilla extract. Now you just want to sift your confectioner sugar. Make sure you sift it well. Okay guys, I'm going to go back in with my hand mixer and blend it. Okay guys, once it's blended, you can add like 2 tablespoons of milk to it and blend it one more time. Okay guys, after you're done with your icing, you can grab some cinnamon and just go ahead and sprinkle it in there. And all we're going to do is mix it up real well. Okay, our apple croissant bites are done, so I'm going to let them cool off before I remove them from the muffin pan. Okay guys, look how beautiful they are. So now all I'm going to do is get my icing, and all we're going to do is go over top and just drizzle it on. Okay guys, so here we have it. We have our apple croissant bites with the cinnamon icing. This is a nice fall dessert. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef.